I'm Dre, and today I'm taking my everyday black hat and turning it into this fire iced out fitted that's bound to get plenty of compliments. This is a super fire yet easy custom that I honestly believe anybody can do. And best believe I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to do it yourself. So if you're interested, make sure to stay tuned for the full video, and let's go. Fitteds are really only something that I got into this past year, and honestly, it's all thanks to TikTok. And as we know in the fashion community, it's this huge meme that TikTok influencers take literally everything that's classic and held sacred in their respective groups and run into the ground. Some examples are Rick Ramones to the high fashion fans, Dunks to the skaters, and Jordan 1s and 4s to the classic sneakerheads. But to be fair to TikTok, there are definitely a few styles and trends that the app has put me onto that I genuinely enjoy, such as flared pants, stainless steel jewelry, of course, fitted hats. Now, right now, I only have 4 fitteds in my collection, and one of them I've already done a similar custom to, but I did this almost 2 years ago, and I've been wearing this hat basically non-stop since then. So I plan for this one to be the new and improved version of this one. But first, I need some supplies, so I'm gonna head over to Amazon, and everything that I purchased for this video is gonna be linked in the description below. So we already know I'm gonna need some crystals, and if you want quality, you can go for Swarovski crystals, but honestly, these ones are just a lot cheaper, and you get a lot more. I'm gonna get this one here. It comes with 2 hot fix applicators and a whole ton of gems. If you already bought crystals or you're buying crystals and they're not hot fix, then the hot fix applicator will not work and you're gonna need some type of glue. I'd recommend getting this E6000 glue. It's perfect for fabrics and clothing, especially hats. I've tried to do this with glue before, but I just find the hot fix a lot easier. So it's time to check out, and I'll come back when the gems come in. It's the next day, and I believe I just heard the Amazon driver knock on the door, so let's go check it out. Yes, sir. Let's go. Alright, so now we got this package, and honestly, I can just kind of get a direction for what I want to do because I know for sure that I want it to be different than the first version of the hat. But now that we got it open, you can see we got pink hot fix applicator. This is what we're going to be using to heat the glue on the back of the gems so that we can actually put it on the hat. Then we got a brush, some tweezers, and then we have 3 packs of a whole bunch of gems. I don't know the exact count, but I'm going to go ahead and throw it up on the screen. Really just a whole lot of colors to choose from. And then last, we have these pencils, which I believe are to pick up the gems with ease. Now that we have everything unboxed, I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. We're gonna set up, we're gonna get the hot fix applicator plugged in and heated up. For right now, I'm just gonna start with getting this front logo as well as the side patch and the logo on the back. Alright, so I've literally spent the last 20 minutes trying to figure out which rhinestones I'm gonna use. And after getting off the phone with my girl, I'm gonna go with these blue ones, and I think I'm gonna mix them with these clear ones as well. So I'm just gonna lay out the blue ones first and put them on the L. Basically, you want the gem with the glue side facing up, and use the tweezers to pick it up and go ahead and just place it in your hot fix applicator. Now it'll take about 5 seconds and you'll literally see the glue start to melt. And once it does, go ahead, just place the gem on the hat. And like that, it's pretty simple and it dries pretty fast as well. So from here, the name of the game is really just patience. It takes a lot of time, especially if you're doing it with smaller gems, but you want to use smaller gems because it'll just turn out much better. And I found myself dropping a whole bunch of these on my floor, so just a heads up, it does get a little bit messy, but it's not too tough to pick them up, so it's not much of a problem. And now that I'm done with the L, I'm gonna go in with the clear ones and put them on the A. I thought this contrast look would look super dope, and honestly, you'll see in the final results that it was pretty sick. But let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should have went fully with just the blue, or do you think this contrast look is fire? And before speeding up the footage, it took me probably about 30 minutes, but I'm just finishing up the last gem now on the A, and like that, we're finally done the front logo, and boy does it look fire. So now I want to hit the NE on the side with the blue gems. And honestly, the longer that I did this, the faster I got. So this really didn't take long at all. And if y'all are doing this, I do recommend to throw on some music or like a YouTube video in the back. Because honestly, once you start to get a little groove going, then you can speed through this pretty quickly. And lastly, I'm just going to hit the back of the hat as well. And if you want a little bit of extra shine and some more durability, go ahead and throw on some nail polish top coat. Please be careful. Don't be like me. I spilled some on the hat and this really hurt my soul. But just make sure to apply a light amount of polish. This one definitely took me a little while, but I for sure think that the time and patience paid off. I wish y'all could see what it looks like in real lighting and in real life, but once I blur up the camera a bit, it's a little bit more realistic to what it actually looks like. If y'all got to this point of the video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below of this little custom, and let me know if you think it was better than the first version I did. I definitely think it was way better. That's old news and out the door. Also, if y'all plan on doing this custom yourself on your own hats, make sure to share it to Instagram and tag me, because I'd love to check them out and repost them on my story. I post plenty of videos weekly, so there's definitely something for y'all to enjoy. But anyways, y'all have a good day and peace.